Are you tired of feeling like you can't make a meaningful connection with a woman? Do you find yourself struggling to understand why things never seem to work out? Well, the truth is, you might be making some common mistakes that are pushing women away. But don't worry, because in this video, we're going to reveal the top 17 mistakes men make that push women away and give you practical solutions to fix them. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to avoid these mistakes and create a strong, lasting connection with the woman of your dreams. So, if you're ready to up your dating game, stick around and let's get started. Number 1. Being insecure. One of the biggest mistakes men make that push women away is being insecure. Women want a man who is confident, not someone who is constantly seeking reassurance or validation. This can come across as needy or desperate, and it's not an attractive quality. So, how can you fix this? The first step is to identify the root cause of your insecurity. Is it based on past experiences or low self-esteem? Once you've identified the source of your insecurity, work on building your confidence through self-improvement, such as exercise or learning new skills. Remember, confidence is key. Number 2. Not listening. Another common mistake men make is not listening to women. This can happen in various ways, such as interrupting or talking over them, or simply not paying attention when they speak. This is a major turnoff for women who want to feel heard and understood. To fix this, start by practicing active listening. This means giving your full attention to what she's saying without interrupting or judging. Show her that you value her opinions and feelings, and she'll be more likely to open up to you. Number 3. Not taking responsibility. When things go wrong in a relationship, it's easy to blame the other person. However, this is another mistake men make that pushes women away. Women want a man who takes responsibility for his actions and is willing to work through problems together. To fix this, start by acknowledging your mistakes and apologizing sincerely. Then work together to find a solution that benefits both of you. Number 4. Being too controlling. Men who try to control every aspect of a relationship are likely to push women away. This can manifest in various ways, such as being jealous, possessive, or overly demanding. Women want a partner who respects their independence and allows them to be themselves. To fix this, focus on building trust in your relationship. Trust her to make her own decisions and pursue her own interests. This will show her that you respect her as an individual, and she'll be more likely to stick around. Number 5. Not being present. A common mistake men make that pushes women away is not being present in the relationship. This can mean physically or emotionally checking out, or simply not making an effort to connect. Women want a partner who is present and engaged in the relationship. To fix this, start by setting aside quality time for your partner. Put away distractions, such as your phone or TV, and focus on building a strong connection with her. Make her feel loved and appreciated, and she'll be more likely to stick around. Number 6. Trying to impress her with money. Some men believe that the way to win a woman's heart is by showering her with expensive gifts or taking her on lavish dates. While it's nice to be treated well, using money as a way to impress a woman can actually be a turnoff. It can come across as trying too hard or being inauthentic. Instead, focus on building a genuine connection with her based on shared values and interests. Be yourself and show her the real you, not just your bank account. Number 7. Being too emotionally vulnerable. While being emotionally open and vulnerable is important in a relationship, some men take it too far by constantly sharing their feelings and insecurities. This can be overwhelming and put too much pressure on the woman to provide emotional support. It's important to find a balance between being honest about your emotions and respecting her boundaries. Show her that you're willing to share, but also be mindful of her needs and feelings. Number 8. Not being assertive enough. On the flip side, some men are too passive and don't assert themselves enough in a relationship. This can come across as being weak or indecisive, which is not attractive to women. It's important to find a balance between being assertive and respectful. Show her that you have opinions and goals, but also be open to compromise and collaboration. Number 9. Ignoring her needs. In a healthy relationship, both partners should prioritize each other's needs and wants. However, some men make the mistake of putting their own needs above their partner's or ignoring her needs altogether. This can lead to resentment and ultimately push her away. Make sure to listen to her and show her that you care about her happiness and well-being. Number 10. Not being romantic enough. Some men make the mistake of not being romantic enough in a relationship. While it's true that not every woman wants grand romantic gestures, it's important to show her that you care in meaningful ways. This could be as simple as cooking her favorite meal or leaving her a thoughtful note. Make an effort to keep the romance alive, and she'll be more likely to stick around. Number 11. Neglecting personal hygiene. Believe it or not, neglecting personal hygiene is a major turnoff for women. This includes things like bad breath, body odor, and unkempt facial hair. While it's understandable that some men may not prioritize personal grooming, it's important to remember that these things can affect how women perceive you. To fix this, make a conscious effort to maintain good hygiene habits. Brush and floss regularly, shower daily, and keep your facial hair neatly trimmed. Your partner will appreciate the effort you put into your appearance. Number 12. Being too nice. While it's important to be respectful and kind to your partner, being too nice can actually push women away. This can come across as insincere or lacking in confidence. Women want a man who is genuine and assertive, not someone who is constantly seeking their approval. To fix this, focus on being authentic and honest in your interactions. Don't be afraid to assert your own needs and boundaries, and show her that you're confident in who you are. Number 13. Ignoring emotional labor. Emotional labor refers to the unseen work that goes into maintaining a relationship, such as remembering important dates or taking care of household tasks. Men who ignore emotional labor can inadvertently push women away, as it can lead to feelings of resentment or burnout. To fix this, make a conscious effort to take on your fair share of emotional labor. Show your partner that you appreciate her efforts and work together to divide tasks fairly. Number 14. Lack of communication. Good communication is key to a healthy relationship, yet many men struggle in this area. Whether it's bottling up emotions or avoiding difficult conversations, a lack of communication can create a rift in your relationship. To fix this, practice active listening and express your thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification or to seek out help from a relationship counselor. Number 15. Sexual incompatibility. Sexual compatibility is an important aspect of any relationship and can be a major source of tension if not addressed. Men who neglect their partner's needs in the bedroom or who are not open to trying new things can push women away. To fix this, make an effort to communicate openly about your sexual needs and desires. Try new things together and be open to exploring each other's boundaries. Remember, a healthy sexual relationship requires effort and communication from both partners. Number 16. Not supporting her ambitions. Many men may not realize it, but not supporting a woman's ambitions and career goals can be a major turnoff. Women want a partner who will encourage and support them in their professional endeavors, not someone who will hold them back. To fix this, show your partner that you value her aspirations and are willing to help her achieve them. Be her biggest cheerleader and offer practical support, such as helping with household tasks or providing emotional support. Number 17. Lack of empathy. Empathy is a crucial component of any healthy relationship, yet some men struggle to show it. This can involve dismissing or invalidating a partner's feelings or failing to consider their perspective in decision-making. A lack of empathy can create a sense of disconnection and isolation in a relationship. To fix this, practice putting yourself in your partner's shoes and seeking to understand their experiences and emotions. Show empathy and compassion towards your partner, and you'll be on your way to building a stronger connection. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the top 17 mistakes men make that push women away and how to fix them. Remember, relationships take work, And it's up to you to put in the effort to build a strong connection with your partner. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be on your way to a happy and healthy relationship. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 10 signs she's pretending not to like you. She's testing you. Make sure to watch it now.